Yeah, except it was the cake. Oh, that's so cute. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh no.
숨어있던 날 만나게 돼 점점 더 두근대는 맘 전부 다 줄게 take my heart 분명 넌 나의 destiny 빛이 난 내 맘 가득히
Hello, my little bats. Welcome to another video. So today we have another episode of playing random games that I've never played before. And today we are playing Don't Press the Button. And so basically what you do is just, if you press the button, there's gonna be like different like little mini games you can play and that you'll be able to play throughout the game once you press the button. And yeah. So right now I just died from a monster, apparently, a pumpkin monster. So basically what you do is, once you press this button, there's like a whole like little game that you can play. Oh, so now we are fighting. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I just almost died. It's one more person, and they're hiding, but I don't know where. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, what? Where are they? It's like one of them hurt. It's like one more person alive, but I don't know where. They shooting up from somewhere. And I don't know where. It's kind of freaking me out. Like I have no idea where they are. And yeah, oh, there they go. Oh, they're cheating. They got like whatchamacallit? They have a rainbow carpet, which is not fair. Wow. Talk about cheating. Anyways, so we gotta reach to the top. Ooh. So also about I meant to say earlier, I have been sick recently, so I had to kind of take a small break from posting and stuff because I've been like sick for like a whole week, and I'm getting better. I'm still I still have like my sinuses and stuff drained, but I am getting better. So I'll definitely be posting and stuff. I'll definitely be posting this week, if I can. But yeah, I've been like I had like a sore throat, and then I had like stopped up nose and the drained sinuses. Yeah, it kind of sucked. And then like later on in the week, I was like coughing and stuff, so it was pretty bad. But now I'm better, and hopefully I can get these sinuses cleared up because they still kind of draining, and my voice has been raspy for, like all week. It's been like raspy like all week. Survive the falling pads. Okay. Oh shoot. Man, so we just don't move. Oh, easy. Oh shoot. Oh, well, I just died. Okay, coin shop game passes. What's this? Oh, these are like the coins of the coin shop. Okay. Wait. The coin shop? My cinnamon, that's probably where they got their, yeah. That's where they got the rainbow carpet from. Oh, okay. Ooh. Boom. I found a pretty good place, and it's like right here. The perfect hiding spot. The perfect hiding spot. I mean, it's like, I know it's like right with a bed, and it's kind of like an obvious spot, but like I'm like in a corner, like a corner type of thing. Yep. So now I'm just hiding. Also, I hope you guys like my outfit. It's like a pumpkin type of vibe going on with the candy corn. I'm just getting, I like fall, as you can tell. I'm getting ready for fall. That's my outfit. Like, did I die or did I not? I think I died. I'm not sure, or if the round is just over. 40. Oh god, 40. Ah, right here. Let's go, 40. I think I remember this type of mini game was like an epic mini games, but except it was with the cake. Yeah, except it was with the cake. Oh, that's so cute. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh no. I'm sorry. Man's had a, oh, what is happening? Oh, okay, I'm slow. I'm slow, and it shows. I didn't understand I did not understand the assignment, and I died. Dang. Okay. I did not understand. Like I didn't read the top at all, so I just died. Oh. Okay, so they're like you guys stay close to the light, and the light moves around so you get to follow that light. Okay. Well. Anyways. And then they're still winning. Or maybe it moves faster as time goes. Well, I don't think it does. Oh, someone has a whole bunch of Robux in a bag. Oh, let's go. Ew. What's happening? Hurry to the ground. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. It's a that one game. What's it called again? I don't know the name of it, but I recognize it from Epic Mini Games. Also, I might play it tomorrow and film it. Depends. I might do that. But the thing is, I've played that before, so I'm not sure if that counts as a never played before game. So maybe, or I could just have it as like a random game or like a normal gameplay. Well, I just died. Reach the other side of the bridge. I think you gotta like take your time, but you still gotta hurry, I guess. I'm just gonna go on the edges. At least I got another chance. Oh god, don't die. Oh god, and I fell. And I don't think I can jump either, so yeah. Well, this sucks. Like, you really have to take your time. Oh, well, time's up. Oh, what the? Big brain. Okay. Put out the fires. Today we are firemen and women. And we shall save lives. Today. I don't know. Oh, I just fell. Wait, okay, here goes one right here. There's one. There's another one. But I don't think I can reach it though. I have a gigantic head for some reason. There's so many fires. Oh my god. Blue one. Oh, I don't think I'm blue. Yeah, I'm red. Watch out for the raining bombs. Okay. Oh god, what in the world? Dang! Oh! I saw that. Someone just got exploded. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. Oh god. It's getting real. It's getting real. It's getting real. Wait, what? This whole time. I could have been over here. This whole time I could have been over here. Y'all made me look. Oh, whoa. Y'all just made me look stupid. I swear y'all did. I could have been over at the edge. No. Oh god. Oh Jesus. Anyways, I still have my big head for some reason. Okay. Oh Jesus. Yeah, some of these mini games are definitely like the ones in Epic mini games. Oh god. Jump. Oh, she almost fell. Jump. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Let's go. Victory. Oh, this is easy. You just gotta. Oh, okay. Just gotta like take a turn up, unless someone like walks like over you, and yeah, then you're messed. Then you're toast. But otherwise, I could just do this. And someone literally has. What the? No! Someone touched the thing! Oh my god. No, I just died. Yeah, that person with the rainbow carpet is cheating. Well, I mean, cause you can purchase it from the shop though, but I don't think they should have it in there. It's kind of like cheating. Find the button. Kitchen player found the button. Yeah, they definitely found it, but by just the. Oh god. I think I remember. Oh god. Like I remember. Like a while back ago. Epic minigames is. Oh, I just jumped off of the pillar. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button and turn on the bell notifications so that you'll know the next time when I post. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.